This is the best AI agency guide you will ever find on YouTube. After scaling my own AI agency past 7 figures, selling AI comes down to a very simple system that anyone can build, launch, and scale starting today, even if you've never used ChatGPT before or have zero tech experience. Right now, the AI revolution has made it easier than ever to make money. And I'm about to show you how you can steal my 7-figure AI agency blueprint so you can finally scale to 100K per month. Just like the hundreds of agency owners that have used this exact system to generate millions with AI. We're going to go over the exact offer to sell, how to get clients, and how to deliver so good they keep paying you forever. All with you working less than 10 hours per week. In the next 15 minutes, I'm going to break down the complete AI agency blueprint that you can copy and paste to your first 100K a month, even as a complete beginner. The first thing that we're going to talk about is the offer. There's a reason Alex Hormozi wrote his first book ever on offers. You see, if your offer is weak, your agency will die. So your job is to package AI into an offer that's impossible to say no to. And that starts by creating a proposition that's so damn good, it's impossible for your prospects to say no. And I'll show you exactly how to do this. The first thing that we're going to do is we're going to pick a niche. This is real estate, medical, coaching, and insurance. You want to pick a niche that you ideally have some industry knowledge, experience, or generalized interest in, because you're going to be talking to these people a lot. Once we've locked in a niche, then we can go into addressing the biggest pain points that our niche deal with. This is missed leads, no-shows, expensive staff, not getting enough leads, not getting enough appointments, etc. And we want to build an AI system that solves that pain point and conveys to the client how much money they're losing without it. That's how you make an offer that doesn't just get attention, it sells itself. This leads us into what to sell. Don't overcomplicate this. You don't need 20 services. Right now, the 2 proven AI offers that are printing money for me and the hundreds of members in my group is AI-driven appointment setters. So this is AI callers and texters that books them into a calendar for your clients. And automated content engines, think Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and VO3 videos. The best part of all of it, though, is that both of these offers make the client money and save the client money. That's why businesses pay $3,000, $5,000, and even $10,000 a month for these. Next thing, we need to talk about pricing. Stop charging $500 for peanuts. You're not a freelancer, you're running an AI agency. And here's the exact model that I use to price my services right now. I start off by offering a $1,000 a month retainer for an AI receptionist. And if you want to run the receptionist plus AI-driven ads, well, that'll cost you around $2,000 a month. Now, don't forget, once you plug your system into these operations, they won't leave you. Imagine if you're saving them a bunch of money and you're making them a bunch of money, why would they ever stop your retainer? Remember, if you're saving them money with AI and making them money with AI, why would they ever churn? Next thing, let's go over how to get clients. Now, forget about begging for referrals, spending months building a personal brand, because you need results right now. And with AI, you can scale outreach instantly, and here's exactly how to do it. There's only 3 methods that I recommend. The first is cold email. You can use a lead scraper online to scrape the name, phone numbers, and emails of all of your prospects within that niche, and then use a software like Instantly to send them thousands of emails. Second is a DM strategy. Think LinkedIn DMs, Instagram DMs, some kind of DM that will get in your prospect's inbox. Something like, hey, we want to help you get more leads, more patients, more customers with AI, and we're willing to give you a 30-day free trial. Reply yes if you're interested, and I'll shoot you over some more info. Something like that. The third and final one that I recommend is cold calling. So this is calling your prospects on the phones and saying, hey, I know you haven't heard of me before, but I got this really cool AI tool. I'd love to show you it. If you got 2 minutes, I'll break down what it does. And then if you like to, we can implement it for free for 30 days in your practice. That's how you go from 0 to book calls in just a few weeks, not a few months. Now, once you've closed your first couple of clients, you can move into the big boy pool with paid ads. If you have a little bit of money to spend, this is where the big dogs are. But you don't want to screw this up and end up in a negative ad balance, blow a ton of money in ads, and then be left with nothing. You want to run a Facebook or Instagram ad offering a free trial of the AI if you're just starting out. This will allow you to get more clients you can possibly handle and is a no-brainer offer for them. You want to send people to a landing page with a short survey that pre-qualifies them to make sure they're your ideal prospects and doesn't allow any unqualified prospects to hit your Facebook pixel. Once they fill out the survey, you're going to direct them to a calendar, which will allow them to book in a call and speak to you on the second page. So the flow is ad to survey to booked call to closed deal. AI can even help you generate the ad creatives, write the copy, so that you don't burn out testing what doesn't work. Now, let's go into this tech setup that runs my entire agency. You see, we use Go High Level as our main command center for leads. This is leads, automation, and a little bit of management of client accounts. Then we use an AI caller like a Retail, a Synthflow, or Vappy. We predominantly use Retail these days that follows up and books leads for the clients 24/7. Then we'll use some kind of AI texting tool like a CloseBot or a Pointwise that will text these leads 24/7, 365. Now forget about hiring call centers or managing staff. This setup costs a few bucks per month and replaces tens of thousands in payroll. I actually used to spend over $20,000 a month with my own human call center that is now entirely replaced with AI. Now, let's get into the fun stuff, delivery. This is where most agencies drown. Once you've signed your first couple of clients, you don't want to get bogged down with delivery. You see, traditional SMMA requires constant content creation, campaign management, and endless client hand-holding. But with AI, delivery is 90% automated. You see, a client signs up, they fill out their onboarding form, and it automatically collects the info. Your AI templates duplicate into their account. Your automations turn on within 48 hours, and weekly reports are sent automatically. Your job is just to check in once a week and tweak things if needed. And that's how you scale to tens of clients without hiring a team of 20 plus people. And as a couple quick hacks for retention and stopping churns, which is probably the biggest reason that most agencies die. I've never heard of an agency with a 0% churn rate going under. But AI agencies are the complete opposite because you're replacing staff, not just running ads. So if you have a bad month when you're running ads, the clients leave you automatically. But here's how you keep your clients long-term with AI. You're able to launch as soon as possible and get results within 48 hours, not having to wait for Facebook ads to ramp up. You can also automate reporting so they see the ROI every single week. And you can upsell new AI systems. So once they have one receptionist that does inbound, you can add an outbound bot. You can add multiple bots. You can have multiple AI tools. It's a very scalable model. And this isn't some 3-month fling. You see, these clients stay with you for 12 plus months because leaving you means losing their infrastructure. Now that you know how to run an AI agency, you need to understand why this approach is the future while other agencies are becoming obsolete. And there's a massive transformation happening right now that's making AI agencies the only vehicle for the path to success to 6 figures per month in 2025. So check out this video where I show you exactly how to stop selling SMMA and start selling AI strategies instead if you want to stop yourself from being left behind in the AI gold rush, and most importantly, stop yourself from getting disrupted from the AI revolution.